नमस्ते बिटियाओं, खुश रहिए बिटियाओं। आई JVN डॉक्टर पुष्पा कुमार, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथी फार्मेसी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथी साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ कॉमर्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, वेलकम टू ऑल इन द डिजिटल वर्जन 2.0. Today's the topic is the continued general knowledge of legislation in homeopathy pharmacy part 3rd. Today's the rule we studies the manufacture for sell homeopathic drug. Firstly, Rule 85A manufacture more than one set of premises. If the homeopathic medicine are manufactured in more than one set of premises, a separate application shall be made and a separate license shall be obtained in respect of each such set of premises. Rule number 85B application for license to manufacture homeopathic medicine. Application of grant or renewal of license to manufacture or sale of homeopathic medicine shall be made to the licensing authority appointed by the state government for the purpose of this part. Second point, the application in the form 24C shall be accompanied by fees of rupees 40 for manufacture of homeopathic mother tincture and prototype preparation, and by a fee of rupees 25 for manufacture of the homeopathic prototype preparation only. If a person applies for the renewal of a license after its expiry, but within 1 month of such expiry, the fee payable of the renewal of such a license shall be rupees 40 plus an additional fees of rupees 20 for the manufacture of homeopathic mother tincture and prototype preparation, and rupees 20 plus an additional fees of rupees 10 of the manufacture of homeopathic prototype preparation only. A fee of rupees 10 shall be paid of a duplicate copy of license for the manufacture of homeopathic mother tincture and potentized preparation issued under sub-rule first if the original is defaced, damaged or lost. While the fee of the paid for such a duplicate copy of the license for the manufacture of homeopathic potentized preparation only shall be rupees 5. Rule number 85C application manufacture new homeopathic medicine subject to other provisions. These rules. No new homeopathic medicine shall be manufactured unless is previously approved by the licensing authority mentioned in Rule 21. The manufacturer of the new homeopathic medicine when applying to licensing authority mentioned to the sub-rule first shall produce such documentary and other evidence as may required by the licensing authority for assessing the therapeutic efficacy of medicine, including in the minimum proving carried out with it. While applying the license of to and manufacture a new homeopathic medicine, an applicant shall produce along with his application evidence that the new homeopathic medicine for the manufacture of which application is made has already been approved. Explanation in the term new homeopathic medicine in this rule shall have same meaning in the rule 30AA. Rule number 85B form of license to manufacture homeopathic medicine. License for manufacture of homeopathic medicine as a license to manufacture potentized preparation from back to potencies by pharmacies who are already licensed to sell homeopathic medicine by retail shall be granted in Form 25C and 85E. Condition for the grant or renewal of license in Form 25C. Before a license in Form 25C is granted or renewed, the following conditions shall be complied with by the applicant. First, the manufacture of homeopathy remedies shall be conducted under the direction and supervision of a competent technical staff consisting at least one person who is whole-time employed and who has at least 5 year experience in the manufacture of homeopathic medicine. Second, the factory premises shall be clean and manufacture shall be carried out under hygiene conditions. The applicant of manufacturer of homeopathic mother tincture shall either first one provide the maintain and advocate staff premises and laboratory equipment for identifying the raw material and testing of mother tincture where possible, or second one make arrangement with the some institution approved by the licensing authority for test where wherever possible to be regularly carried out on his behalf by by that institution. The premises where homeopathic medicine are manufactured shall be distinct and separate from the premises usually residential purpose. Homeopathic medicine shall not be manufactured simultaneously with the drug pertaining to other system of medicine. The applicant shall make arrangement for the proper storage of homeopathic medicine manufactured by him first, provided the manufacturer has been issued Form 20C. Second point, the license shall ensure the satisfaction of the licensing authority that the products manufactured by it conform to the claim made to on the label. Rule number 85F, duration of license. An original license or a renewal of a license, unless it is the sooner suspended or cancelled, shall be valid up to the 31st December of the year following the year in which granted or renewed, provided that if application or renewal of a license in force is made before its expiry, or if the application is made, the additional fees paid within 1 month of its expiry, the license shall continue to be in force until orders are passed on the application. Second point, the license shall be deemed to have expired if application for its renewal is not made within 1 month after its expiry. Rule number 85G, certificate of renewal. The certificate of renewal of a license in Form 25C shall be issued in Form 26C. 85H, condition of license. A license in Form 25C shall be subjected to the conditions stated therein and to following further condition, namely, the license shall provided and maintain staff and premises as specified in Rule 85F. The license shall allow the inspector authorized by the licensing authority in their behalf to enter with or without prior notice any premises where the manufacturer of a homeopathic medicine in respect of which the license is issued is carried on, to inspect the premises and to the take sample of manufactured homeopathic medicine. The license shall allow an inspector inspect all the register and reports maintained under these rules and shall apply to inspectors such information as they may require to purpose of ascertaining whether the provisions of the Act and rules made thereunder have been observed. The license shall maintain an inspection book in Form 35 to enable an inspector to record his impression and defects noticed. The license shall comply with the following condition in respect of mother tincture manufactured by him. The crude drug used in the manufacture of mother tincture shall be identified and reports of such identification shall be kept. The total total solids in the mother tincture shall be determined and reports of such tests shall be kept. The alcohol contained in the mother tincture shall be determined and reports of the same shall be maintained. The containers of mother tincture shall preferably be glass and shall be clean and free from any sort of impurities and adhering matter. The glass shall be neutral as far as possible. The process of manufacture of mother tincture hygiene conditions shall be scrupulously observed by the license. Storage handling conditions shall also be properly observed by the licensing according to homeopathic principles. Records shall be maintained of homeopathic medicine containing alcohol and quantities sold together, names and addresses of parties to whom sold. Rule number 85 first. Cancellation and suspension of license. The license authority may, after giving the license and opportunity to show cause why such an order should not be passed, by an order to writing stating the reason therefore cancel a license issued under this part suspended for such period as he thinks fit, either wholly or aspect of the sum of the substance to which it the relates. If in his opinion the license has failed to comply with any condition of the license or with any provision of the act and made thereunder. A license whose license has been suspended or cancelled may appeal to the state government whose decision shall be final. Thank you so much.